welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to practice drawing outer electron pictures, also known as dot and cross diagrams. However, in the exam they will likely call them outer electron pictures. Let's have a practice of drawing an outer electron picture. To practice, we're going to look at drawing methane, which is CH4. So we start with the central element, carbon, and you're only drawing the outer electrons. So you're going to use page 6 of your databook where you have the electron arrangement. And for carbon, you'll see that it's 2, 4. So we only want the outer electrons, which is 4. So we fill those in, filling singly until we have 4 before we would actually pair anything up. And then we're going to add on our hydrogens. So hydrogen only has 1 electron, and we're going to add 1 hydrogen at each point, making sure you have an overlap region for your 2 electrons. So here we have our outer electron picture for CH4 methane. Pause the video and try to draw outer electron pictures for these examples. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you found it helpful. Please remember to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of new videos. You can also follow me on TikTok, Miss Adams Chem, and Instagram, Miss Adams Chemistry. Bye for now.